In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google searches private. In a world where online privacy is becoming more and more significant, ensuring that your Google searches are not tracked or stored can give you peace of mind. So let's dive into some practical steps. Firstly, one of the simplest methods to keep your searches private is to use incognito mode in your browser. This is an excellent tool if you want to keep your information private on a shared computer or prevent your search history from leaving a digital trail. To access this, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser. From there, simply select New Incognito window. This mode will prevent your browsing activity, including searches, from being saved in your browser history. It's important to understand though that while this prevents your search or browsing history from being stored locally on your device, incognito mode does not conceal your activity from websites you visit, your employer, or internet service provider. In conjunction with using incognito mode, regularly clearing your browser history is another effective way to maintain privacy. Again, click on those familiar three dots. Navigate to Settings, then click on Privacy and Security. Here you'll find an option to delete your browsing data. Just click on Delete Browsing Data, which will remove traces of your search activity stored on your device. Don't forget to click Delete Data to complete the process. This is a simple but effective way of keeping your past searches hidden from prying eyes. However, if you're looking for an alternative to using Google, consider switching to privacy-focused search engines. DuckDuckGo is a popular choice as it prioritizes user privacy by not tracking or storing any user data. This means your searches are not linked back to you, which is a significant advantage for those who are particularly privacy conscious. Lastly, another solid method to keep your Google searches private is through the use of a VPN or virtual private network. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, which helps protect your browsing data from being accessed by others. This is a great tool for ensuring privacy, but remember that you should choose a trustworthy VPN provider.